There's 5 points and there's little 5 points. Are they the same? Are they different? Hi, I'm Ariel with Unexpected Atlanta, where we explore the best and most exciting places and things Atlanta has to offer. Join us as we clear up the confusion between these two beloved and unique Atlanta neighborhoods. While their names can be confusing, Little 5 Points and 5 Points are two distinct neighborhoods here in Atlanta, Georgia, each offering unique experiences and atmospheres reflective of their individual histories and cultures. Despite their proximity and similar names, they differ significantly in terms of character, demographics, and attractions. The 5 Points neighborhood stands as one of Atlanta's downtown business districts, a central hub of the city up until the 1960s. The name refers to the convergence of 5 streets: Marietta Street, Edgewood Ave, Decatur Street, and 2 Peachtree Streets. 5 Points serves as a major transportation hub with its MARTA rail station connecting various parts of the perimeter. During the day, the streets are filled with professionals, commuters, students, and tourists, all navigating the busy sidewalks. The neighborhood also offers an array of attractions, notably Underground Atlanta, a subterranean shopping and entertainment complex. The dining scene near 5 Point features some local favorites like Thai restaurant Tide Tate Kitchen, but there are also many fast casual eateries and chain restaurants, catering to both visitors and downtown workers on their lunch breaks. Though 5 Points has changed over the years, Atlanta's resilient spirit is beautifully memorialized in the Atlanta from the Ashes sculpture, symbolizing Atlanta's rise from the ashes of the Civil War to become a world city. Little 5 Points, often abbreviated L5P, is about 3 miles away from 5 Points on the east side of Atlanta. The name is in reference to 5 Points. Though this neighborhood is smaller in scale, here it's Moreland Ave, which runs north and south, that's 2 points. Then you've also got Euclid Ave running east to west, providing another 2 points. The 5th point is either Seminole Ave or McClendon Ave, depending on who you ask. Known for its bohemian and eclectic vibe, L5P attracts artists, musicians, and free spirits from all walks of life. Visitors can explore unique stores selling everything from retro clothes to handmade crafts to piercing and tattoos, or catch a live performance at an intimate venue. Little 5 Points is home to diverse dining options, ranging from vegan eateries to cozy pubs serving craft beer and comfort food. But nothing says Little 5 like the dramatic skull entrance along Moreland Avenue. If you've seen it, you've found the original location of a local favorite, because that's the door to the Vortex, a bar and grill that serves up some of the best burgers in Atlanta. Despite the differences, both Little 5 Point and 5 Points contribute to the diverse tapestry of Atlanta's neighborhoods. While one embodies creativity, individuality, and alternative culture, the other represents the hustle and bustle of urban life and serves as a vital economic and transportation hub. Together, they showcase the multifaceted nature of Atlanta.